Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Eitan Collett Elazar, and today we're going to be learning about a programming language. Now, if you were watching my Scratch video that I made, then you know what a programming language is. If not, a programming language is used for everything on the web. Everything that you see on the web, including YouTube, in this video was coded. So I'm going to teach you how to code in one of the most popular languages, JavaScript. Now, what is JavaScript? JavaScript is used in most of the web and even used to make apps. It's used for the front side, which is what you see, and the back side, which is the servers and what run the websites. So now we're going to be getting into it, and it's going to be fun, trust me. So before we start, you'll need to do a little bit of changes. So you'll need to find the place that you want to make the file. So let's say on the desktop, new text document. But before you do that, open up File Explorer, click on View, and then make sure to see that file name extensions is checked. That will be way quicker to do. So now you go here, new text document, name it whatever you want, and then in the .txt, name it instead of that JS. I already have a file, so I'm not gonna bother making one. So now let's set up. So first we want to write, and before you get it, I'll link these two sites in the description. One is Node.js, which we're gonna use to actually run JavaScript on our computer, and Visual Studio Code, which is my text editor. It's really great, so I recommend getting that before you start. So now that you have these, I'll also link them in the description. Let's get into coding. Assuming that you already made the file, so all you need to write in Visual Studio Code now is function, and it's already going to prompt you with this. And let's just name it hello. Open brackets. Visual Studio Code will close them for you, and also curly brackets. Curly brackets is next to P, so you just do shift and then the curly brackets. Then you do console.log, and then you will put brackets, then put double quotes or single quotes, it doesn't matter. I could do this, and type hello world. If you need to pause it at any time, it's okay. Now you want to type hello and open brackets. You can put a semicolon, or you can also not do it. So now you need to go, now I save it, I go up to where it says run, start debugging. We'll want to click Node.js, and in a few seconds, it's going to launch the terminal built in to Visual Studio Code. Remember that you have to have Node.js installed. And while it's loading, we have Node.js is a JavaScript runtime. It's basically another way to execute your JavaScript code. Doesn't seem to be running. So let's just do run, start debugging Node.js. Any second now, it should. And it is. So now it's gonna open it. We're gonna do JavaScript debug terminal, which is what, and it wrote hello world. This is actually your first program in JavaScript. Now let's spice things up. Now we're gonna use real JavaScript. So instead of this, we're gonna write console.log, open brackets, single quotes or double quotes. I like doing double quotes, and then stay safe. That's actually true because of this whole COVID thing. So stay safe, everyone. I'm gonna do start debugging, Node.js. Click here on the little play icon, and then it's gonna be like it's running. And then we hit JavaScript debug terminal like we did, and it wrote stay safe. That's the end for today's video. I might make more, including more stuff, and see you in the next one. Bye!